AAXA is a well-known brand in the world of projectors. They are known for delivering affordable and feature-packed options that cater to the needs of a wide range of consumers. Their latest offering, the Ultimate Mini Projector, is a testament to their commitment to innovation. This is the AAXA P6 Ultimate. This projector not only has a unique appearance, but also appears to be an upgraded version of its previous generation, the AAXA P6X. It is equipped with a larger battery of 20,000 mAh, a possible screen size of up to 200 inches, an Android operating system and Wi-Fi support, making it a more advanced and efficient device. So let's see just how good this thing is, and first start by unboxing it. The projector comes with this really nice compact yet stylish carry case, which not only protects it from damage, but also makes it convenient to carry around. The case is designed in a way that fits the projector absolutely perfectly. You do indeed get all the accessories needed to get this up and running. You get the remote control, a charger, and a very basic user manual. At a size of 5.25 inches by 3.1 by 5.7 and weighing only 2.8 pounds, despite its small size, this projector boasts impressive internal specs that make it stand out in its category of ultra-compact projectors. The projector's cutting-edge technology allows for the projection of high-quality images without compromising on its portability. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around anywhere thanks to the attached handle, making it an ideal choice for users who are always on the move. The projector ports are scattered on the back and side, but it does boast an impressive array. You get one HDMI, one USB-C, one 3.5mm audio input, USB-A, and a 3.5mm media headphone output. What's really unique is AAXA has added an onboard LED mood light surrounding the build to make this projector truly stand out from the crowd. There is a button on the top panel to turn the LED on and off. You get options between two colours, making it an ideal for illuminating a space or providing a side light while camping or in a dark room. The P6 Ultimate is a remarkable projector that uses DLP technology to produce 6 times more brightness than an LCD projector, with 10 times greater optical efficiency. Its native instruments DLP technology delivers vibrant colours and deep blacks, surpassing most other affordable projectors on the market. This can indeed produce a 200-inch image, and you do have the option to operate at 3 different power modes. I have placed this around 3 meters away from the wall, and I get a projection screen of about 100 inches. I personally feel this is the optimal sweet spot. The P6 is capable of delivering its full 1100 lumens for up to 3 hours on battery life. This is what you're going to want to choose for the best brightness and image quality. However, if you are already in an extremely dark space and want to utilize the P6 for a longer period of time, the Eco mode can deliver up to 500 lumens for up to 6 hours. Now, although that is a brightness reduction of over half, you won't see a loss in overall picture quality. It is still crisp, full of contrast, and is vibrant. At a possible resolution of 1920 by 1080p, you're able to capture a highly detailed and vivid image. The increased pixel count allows for a greater level of clarity and precision, resulting in a more impressive visual experience. From subtle textures to bold colours, every aspect is pretty darn good. Even with the lights on at that 1100 lumens, it does truly shine. You get a more than watchable image. So this does indeed have its own onboard Android operating system. With its own operating system, you really have no need for any other video devices. With the Play Store, you have access to a wide range of streaming sources and apps that you can download, including YouTube, Amazon Prime, Kodi, Netflix, and much more. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you can truly indulge in all of these. Just being able to open up YouTube and instantly place a video on without the need to connect any other devices, well, it is a thing that is just fantastic. We do also indeed have wireless mirror casting, but if you are lucky enough to have a Type-C compatible phone, you can indeed get a wired casting experience. Using a Type-C cable offers up instant and lag-free playback from your phone. What you see on your phone is what you get on the big screen. You can cast movies, show off photo memories, or just browse your phone content instantly. It is such a nice feature to do from the comfort of your sofa. The P6 Ultimate also can be utilised as a Bluetooth speaker. When placed in Bluetooth mode, the 10-watt speaker surprisingly pumps out some impressive sound. Take a listen to this. All in all, the P6 Ultimate is a highly compact projector that doesn't skimp out on picture quality and battery life. With a large 20,000 mAh battery and a possible operating time of 6 hours, you can get a portable cinematic experience that you can take practically anywhere with you. And with the added bonus of an Android operating system, you really don't need any other external devices to help you find something to watch. Everything is built into this mini monster. Be sure to check out the P6 Ultimate in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.